Naniniwala ba kayo na kasya yung 500 pesos sa Noche Buena?
No.
Parang hindi. Sorry na. Parang,
Nainis din ako nung napanood ko yun eh.
oo, medyo mahirap na siyang i-budget ngayon. Lalo na in this day and time. Parang Christmas is a very special day and we want it the Filipino way. Di ba tayong mga Pinoy, ang Pasko, very important yan sa atin.
Yes.
Talagang grabe ang handaan and celebration. So, I feel like, i-give naman natin sa mga sarili natin to be able to enjoy and spend more on Christmas.
Saka napaka-insensitive talagang sabihin na kung tutuusin, pwede sapat na yung 500 pesos para sa Noche Buena. I mean, kung hindi mo yung nararanasan, you don't say that. Diba?
I think it's also a wake-up call kasi there was a lot of people also na told their stories na hindi talaga kasya, not coming from us because somehow we're at least privileged pa din na we can afford a good Christmas, pero of course for other people na who can't and were able to express their feelings regarding the 500 pesos Christmas Noche Buena. So parang it's a wake-up call for them na this is what the real people are experiencing and we have to do something about it to help them. Para naman buo ang Christmas ng Pinoy kasi tayo naman, 'di ba, family tayo sa Philippines. So
Totoo.
sana magtulungan tayo and sana ma-realize nila 'yon.